Our next story is about an Indian origin nurse who faces execution in Yemen. Nimisha Priya from India's Kerala has been sentenced to death for allegedly killing her business partner, a Yemeni national. The sentencing was approved by the president of Yemen last week, and her execution could be carried out within a month's time. Her life, though, could still be saved. In Yemen, families of murder victims can accept what's called blood money. It's basically a practice that could get Nimisha off the death sentence. This is reportedly done to avoid harsh punishments like death sentences and to provide monetary compensation to the victim's family in exchange for mercy and forgiveness for the accused. But the blood money system leaves the offender's fate completely in the hands of the family of the victim. There is no fixed amount to be paid by the so-called offender in exchange for mercy, and the victim's family can negotiate the amount. Nimisha's family saying that they are ready to pay the blood money to save her and are trying to negotiate with the family of the victim, Talal Mehdi, to save her life. The family, in fact, has reportedly asked the Indian government for help to initiate negotiations with Mehdi's family. In a post on the platform X, India's Ministry of External Affairs has said that the government is, quote-unquote, extending all possible help in the matter. Meanwhile, Iran has also said it will take up this issue with the Yemeni government and said that it would do whatever is possible in the matter. A senior Iranian official told Indian news agency ANI that on humanitarian grounds, Iran is, quote-unquote, willing to do whatever they can. Nimisha was arrested for alleged murder of Yemeni national in July 2017. A trial court in the country's capital sentenced her to death in 2020. And her appeal was dismissed by Yemen's Supreme Judicial Council in November 2023. Originally from Palakkad, Kerala, Nimisha moved to Yemen in 2008 to work as a nurse and had reportedly partnered with the Yemeni national to open a clinic. Yemeni laws reportedly require foreign nationals to have a local partner for any kind of business. As per reports, their relationship soon worsened, with Mehdi allegedly abusing and torturing her, allegedly taking her passport and falsely claiming that they were married. In 2017, she was charged for murder. Nimisha said that she acted in self-defense while attempting to retrieve her passport, which Mehdi had confiscated reportedly. In the past, there have been a few cases of Indians on death row abroad receiving pardon with blood money payments. In the year 2016, 10 Indian men were sentenced to death in the UAE for the death of a Pakistani man. In 2017, a court in Sharjah cancelled their death sentence after a Dubai-based businessman paid blood money to the family of the deceased. In a similar case in 2010, 17 Indian men were sentenced to death for the murder of a Pakistani national in Sharjah. They were released and returned to India in 2013 after blood money was given. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.